Question: can foreigners buy property and commercial property under their name? Well, the short answer is yes. And every nationality will have a different strategy. It all depends on what you want to do. Panama doesn't have restrictions of ownership like some other countries where perhaps you cannot buy something under your name. Panama, you can. In fact, it's the simplest way to own anything. You just show up and, it's under Patrizia Pinzon, and everything just gets registered, full title under your name. If you want to use a corporation, then you can consult your lawyers, your accountants, but absolutely you can own both residential and commercial property. In terms of commercial property, if you're looking at land, and this is throughout Panama, do make sure to hire a good lawyer that will make a good due diligence. Understand that land, depending on where it is, you might find different types of title. And some of those are not real titles, they're just rights over certain types of land. So this is just free advice. If you're looking at the rest of Panama, especially coasts or islands, do make sure that you get your title and your due diligence right. Casco Viejo is probably one of the oldest titles in Panama, one of the oldest titles registered in Panama. And it's fascinating to look through the public registry. I'll say, after so many years of just dealing in Casco Viejo, for me it's a lot of fun to dig the history of each house. And it makes for a clear succession. So if you want to buy an apartment or a commercial space in Casco Viejo, whether it's San Felipe or Santa Ana, let us know and we'll point you in the right direction either way, depending whether you want to buy it on your own, under a foundation, under a corporation. It's all very possible. So we have no restrictions regarding that. And if you like this video and you find it useful, subscribe and be tuned to the next one.